In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone keyboard not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, it can be really frustrating when you're trying to send a message or anything like that and your keyboard's not working properly. For example, if you're trying to type something and it just keeps messing up or keeps correcting to something you don't want, that's really frustrating. So the first thing I want you to do is swipe out, then just go and swipe down on the top right of your control panel, and you just want to make sure that, when you go to Bluetooth, that you don't have any external keyboard connected currently to Bluetooth. And just to be extra safe, you just turn off Bluetooth entirely for the moment. And then all I want you to do is, try typing again. And then if that still doesn't work, what you can also do is go to your settings application. From here, scroll down until you find general. Then from general, scroll all the way down. You're going to see transfer or reset iPhone. Click on that and then press reset towards the very bottom. And then you're going to see reset keyboard dictionary. So just do that, and anything, whether it's any data on your keyboard is going to be reset. The next thing I want you to do is go back, go to general again, and go to software update, and make sure you're on the latest version of iOS. The reason is because anytime there's any glitches or anything like that, or there could just be a certain bug, and if you haven't updated your iOS version in a long time, your operating system, which is iOS, might not be functioning properly, which will affect things like your keyboard. The final thing I would recommend is, if all of that stuff doesn't work after you've updated your phone as well, all you want to do is go to the App Store. From here, I would definitely recommend downloading a different keyboard. I would definitely recommend Google Keyboard. It's completely free to use, and it's personally the one I use as well. It's called Gboard, the Google Keyboard. Just download this and start using it, and you should be good to go.